Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of ELISA Kit from Calbiotech, which is Estradiol ELISA test kit. You can see the reference part number CS380S. You can see it's a 96 well plate test. It's from you can see this is manufactured from US. You can see the key contents here: the coated well plate, the control standard set, the enzyme conjugate wash buffer, and stop solution substrate, and also the certificate of analysis for full compound details. You can see this has to be maintained at temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. We have maintained this room temperature with air conditioned room. Just showing around the box. You can see. Just open this box for you. You can see this. It is we have got an IFE brochure which says Calbiotech Estradiol ELISA test kit. The Calbiotech Estradiol E2 ELISA test kit is intended for the quantitative determination of estradiol E2 concentration in human serum and plasma. You can see that there is a complete explanation of the test and the principle of the test and the key contents that comes along with the metals provided in the kit. You can see this here, and then you can see the different test procedures to be conducted and how to interpret your results. So you have the complete details to conduct this test. You can see this. You can see this here. Then further if you go, there is a certificate of analysis. Just open this for you. This is a certificate of analysis. You can see. You can see there's a certificate of analysis. It says Calbiotech Estradiol ELISA test kit with the lot number, and you can see the catalog number here with the certificate of analysis and the date. Lot number, expiration date. Okay, so you can see the key contents here: the microwell coated plate and the estradiol standard 1 to 6, and the estradiol enzyme conjugate, and there's acid diluent and biotin conjugate, TMB substrate, stop solution, and wash conjugate. You can see this is how it looks like. I'll keep the certificate of analysis here, and then you can see inside. You can see the streptovidin coated wells. You can see the reference part number and also the expiry date here. Just keep this here. This is the 96 well plate streptovidin coated wells. The inside you can see the different bottles here. I'll just go one by one. Okay. You can see this is wash concentrate 20x to 80 degrees temperature, 25 ml wash concentrate. Put it back. Then we pick stop solution 12 ml. You can see this here. This is stop solution. Put it back. And then you can see estradiol biotin conjugate. You can see the reference part number, lot number 7 ml. Put it back. Then we have estradiol acid diluent 2 to 8. Reference part number 12 ml. And then we have Calbiotech TMB substrate 2 to 8. You can see 12 ml bottle. Put it back. Then you can see this. These are the estradiol standard 1. You can see this is how it looks like. Standard 1. Okay, here you go. standard 2, then you have standard 3, you can see standard 4, standard 5, standard 6, and then you get the estradiol conjugate. Okay, you can see this here. Actually, if you look at today, we've seen the unboxing of let me see this side. Today we've seen the unboxing of Calbiotech Estradiol ELISA test kit. You can see this here. I'm just showing this again. And just a quick summary here for the Calbiotech. In the 96 well plate box, you get one IFU brochure, and then one certificate of analysis, and then one 96 well plate, and the different liquids here from a standard 1 to 6, and then you get there's one the conjugate here, and then rest of the solutions you have the concentrate, saline dilution, and then you got the TMB substrate and stop solution and wash concentrate. So you get all the complete kit here. Actually, this is how the total test kit looks like. Just to show you around here. Okay, thank you.